Hi, today I'm reviewing the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the link below, and I will put a link to this below for Yesstyle. So, yeah, somebody asked me the other day, why do you blink so much? Do I blink too much? Is there a rule for too much blinking? I don't know. My eyes are dry, but I also said I raised my eyebrows too much. I'm like, well, if you're watching my old videos, people always accuse me of not being able to move my eyebrows, so I really want to emphasize the fact that I can move my eyebrows. And I can blink. Right? Because that's freaking awesome, being able to blink. Anyway. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so, man, I'm going through this one fast, and I decided I had to review it ASAP because I know I'm going to finish this one because I'm really enjoying it. So, okay, so they say infused with 80% ginseng root water as well as uniquely formulated ginseng complex to revitalize dry skin and control sebum. This hydrating toner leaves skin plumped up and wrinkle-free, safe for use on sensitive skin. Plumped up and wrinkle-free. That might be a bit of an exaggeration because I used this last night and I still have wrinkles today. So, I don't know. They're going a little bit overboard with the marketing of it. You know what? It's always better to underpromise and overdeliver. A lot of brands do the exact opposite. They overpromise and underdeliver. A lot of them do that. So, generally, it's better to keep expectations low than when you're blown away by something. It's amazing. You know, so, okay. So my first criteria is packaging, and no real issues with the packaging, although I do recommend keeping it in a cabinet when you're not using it. I saw somebody that put tinfoil over the whole bottle to protect it, although tinfoil is not, I would go with like black masking tape or duct tape, not tinfoil. It's, I guess unless you want to take it, I don't know, whatever. Tinfoil is kind of a pain, I wouldn't do that, but. Or you can just keep it in the cabinet when you're not using it. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohols, does not contain any of those. It also is fragrance-free and has no noticeable real scent or fragrance ingredients, so that makes it great for sensitive skin. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So I'm just going to do a pH test because I haven't done one in a while for something. And because I have one strip left and then I can... Does this go on my empties, you think? I don't know, it's technically a skincare tool. I don't know. I'm going to put it in my empties. Why not? So I thought I'd do a pH test just because. Okay, so the pH of this one looks to be about 5-ish, 5.5, almost pretty close to 5. No issues with that. So ease of use, so after cleansing, they recommend applying a moderate amount evenly over the face and pat for better absorption. You can use this like a toner where you put it on a cotton pad and smooth it over your face. You can also just pat it on like you would use like an essence. It works perfectly both ways. For me, I prefer using it on a cotton pad, and then I'll either, after that, pat it on, or I'll apply another essence and pat that one on. What I'm really also liking is the Amore Pacific. What is it? It's the expensive one from Amore Pacific, which once I finish the bottle, I'm too cheap to repurchase it, but I do like it. I'll have to review that one because I'm almost finished with that one. So that's nice. You can do that either way. It works well. Leaves your skin feeling nice and soft, but not greasy or overly hydrated. It's kind of got an interesting ingredient list where it's hydrating, but doesn't leave your skin feeling like greasy. And it works well in the morning and evening, I found. I really like, you know what, most toners I've tried so far, I've had a preference on what routine I use them in. Pretty much all of them either they work well in the morning or well in the evening. This one works well both. So I found a lot of them can be really hydrating, so they're a little bit too moisturizing, so I can only use them in the evening because my face looks a little greasy when I'm done with them, but this one just really works well both ways. So yeah, it's a very nice product. And you can pat it on, use it either way, or use it both ways for the same product. So yeah, so that's probably why I'm going through it so friggin' fast. Okay, so very easy to use. In terms of beneficial ingredients, so they mentioned their ginseng complex. They do have several different ginseng types of ingredients. They've got ginseng root extract, ginseng root water. They've got Lactobacillus and ginseng ferment filtrate, which is great. Then they've got ginseng culture extract. They've got several different things of ginseng, and a lot of them have good benefits for you. So ginseng root water is skin protecting ingredient. We've got niacinamide, which is great, skin brightening, anti-acne. barrier repair and hydrating ingredient. Then we've got hydroxyacetophenone, which is a slightly controversial preservative antioxidant combo ingredient. There are a few of these ingredients which have been made to function as an antioxidant but also be a preservative, and some people aren't big fans of them, so whatever your opinion is, go with it. I mean, you guys can research it and come to your own conclusion. I personally at this point don't have any issues with it, but some people don't prefer it in their products, so whatever you prefer, there's nothing wrong with it. We've got Panthenol, which is a skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. Then we've got licorice root, which is brightening and hydrating. We've got Allantoin, which is a great skin soothing, skin calming ingredient. Then we've got Adenosine, which is an antioxidant and cell communicating ingredient. When I say cell communicating, it tells your cells, your skin cells, how to function better or how to function normally instead of, you know, it's kind of what retinol does in a way. Then we've got this ginseng culture extract, which is a hydrating skin conditioning ingredient. We've got cocoa extract. Beauty of Joseon tends to use cocoa in like almost all of their products I've noticed, which cocoa is an antioxidant, skin conditioning, and hydrating ingredient, so it is in a lot of their products. There's nothing wrong with it, they just must really like it. Then we've got glucose. Glucose is another name for sugar, which is a humectant ingredient. Then we've got ginseng root extract, which is an antioxidant, anti-aging, and skin protecting ingredient. Then we've got that lactobacillus ginseng root ferment filtrate, which is also skin conditioning. And then finally, sodium hyaluronate, which is in every freaking product I review. It's a humectant. Somebody told me just to get over it because it's not going anywhere, and I have a feeling that they're right. But whatever. So I won't even talk about it anymore. Okay. In terms of animal testing, Beauty of Joseon is cruelty-free. Some of their products are vegan, but not all of them. So probably because they use snail mucin in some of them, I'm guessing. Okay, in terms of performance, I really am impressed with this one. I was really happy to add this into my routine. It made a huge difference. Really helped my skin hydrate, soothing, helps skin retain moisture a bit better. Seems very friendly for all skin types. And the nice thing is there's no acne-genic ingredients, which is amazing because it's rare to see one product that doesn't have any ingredients that are acne-genic. It just doesn't happen very often. So that's a nice feature. And you can see the hand that I applied it just looks soft and hydrated. I do recommend applying a nice moisturizer or serum after this, whether used in the morning or evening. In terms of the price, so this is a full size, which is 150 milliliters. I came up with 5.3 ounces for 100 milliliters. However, this bottle says 150 milliliters, 5 ounces. My math could be wrong. I'm not good at it. So, but the retail price for this is around $20. It's always crazy. All these K-beauty sites always have these fluctuating prices. It's impossible to compare one to another because one price of this week might be $50 and somewhere else it's $5, but then the week after this other product's $80 and it's normally $8. I don't get it. There's no rhyme or reason to it. People ask me what's better, Yesstyle, Stylekorean, Stylekorean, or Joseon. You know what? It just depends on whatever product you're looking at that moment. None are specifically better or worse than the others in terms of prices. They're all over the place. Okay, and then in terms of the it factor, really like this stuff. It's become a real fast favorite of mine. Certainly wish I would have picked this up more in the winter because I really think this could have helped my skin stay a little bit more hydrated throughout the winter, but I'm getting to it now and whatever. Can't wait to try their bubble toner. Gonna be review that one too. But really like this one. It's a toner I actually look forward to using. Feels calming and hydrating at the same time, yet never looks greasy. No fragrance in it, which is even better, and it's pretty affordable. It's a winner in my book, so I was really happy with this one. So with a 10 being a perfect score, this one got a 10. Which doesn't happen all the time, but I'm starting to find more products I like quickly. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I seem to be doing higher scores. I'm just able to find things, look at the ingredient list and the price, and gee, this one's going to be one I like, and I'm doing pretty good at picking out ones I like. Which is not good for my friends and family, which will not get my hand-me-downs as much. So, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so love this one. I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are, so definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.